seriousness of the situation. If Carlos, my photographer, can pull over, you might be able to see that there is a man here. He has a long stick and a string, and attached to the string is a donut. And so periodically we've seen him approach the officers and sort of hold it up. So a little bit of levity in a series.
We love the lurkers.
Tractor's got the hiccups. What the hell? Look at that, you guys. Fun times, everybody. Fun times. Let me get my meter going here. What you were watching there was that solid state time delay. Took a crap. And that's what we were watching there. We'll have to replace that contactor. But that's what you were watching, the time delay. That was a neat one. Can you believe it's been 5 years since we put those in? I got the videos of when I did the installs on these condensing units. We're getting the coils cleaned up here. Gotta wash them out and get them all tidied up. Time flies.